Today we're diving into the world of animal motivational videos, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these viral animal motivational videos with AI, so you can go viral and start making a lot of money from TikTok's creativity program. Animal videos are some of the most shareable content out there, and when you add a powerful message, these videos have a high chance of going viral because people just can't get enough of them. In this video, I'll be walking you through the best steps for creating animal motivational videos with free AI tools, from choosing the right animal clips to crafting motivational quotes and editing. Before we dive in, let me give you a quick sneak peek of what we'll be creating today.
A wolf doesn't concern himself with the opinion of sheep. He knows who he is and walks his own path, undeterred by those who do not understand his strength.
All right, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to create a powerful script. And for that, we're going to use ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and start by asking it to generate 5 engaging quotes about any animal of your choice. It could be anything from wolves to eagles to lions. Pick whatever feels most inspiring to you. And in just seconds, ChatGPT will pull together a list of quotes that are impactful, relatable, and perfect for motivating an audience. You might find the initial quotes are a bit short, and we want to make sure they're longer, so go ahead and ask ChatGPT to make the quote more longer, then watch as ChatGPT expands on them, adding depth and richness that really brings out the powerful qualities of each animal. And if you're aiming for an even more longer quote, don't be afraid to ask ChatGPT to extend them further. Now that our script is ready, we're moving on to the next exciting step, which is getting the perfect background videos. We want visuals that capture the essence of the animal in our script. And for that, Pexels.com, a fantastic site filled with high-quality, royalty-free images and videos. Open your browser and type in Pexels.com. Once you're on the site, you'll see a search bar right at the top. Then type in the name of the animal you're featuring in your script. Whether it's a lion, an eagle, a wolf, or any other inspiring creature. And Pexels will present you with a wide selection of both images and videos. Now click on the videos, then take your time browsing through the options, and look for a video clip that feels like the perfect match for your script. Once you've found the ideal video, click on it, then download the video to your device. If your script is longer, you might want to download 2 or more videos. This way, you'll have enough visual material to keep viewers engaged throughout the entire video. The next step is to generate voiceover for our video, and for this, we'll be using 11 Labs, one of the most advanced text-to-speech AI tools available that offers a wide range of high-quality voices. Open your browser and go to 11labs.io. Once you're there, click on Get Started Free. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which just takes a minute. Once you're logged in, head back to ChatGPT. Copy the script we generated on ChatGPT. Then return to 11 Labs and paste the script into the speech synthesis box. Now click on the voices, and you'll find voices that range from energetic and friendly to calm and professional. Take a moment to listen to a few samples to find the right voice for your video. Once you've found the voice that feels just right, select it. Then click Generate, and in a few moments, 11 Labs will process your script and produce a natural-sounding voiceover that matches your video's message. Now the voiceover is ready, download it to your device. If you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to keep bringing you more exciting content. Now let's jump back into the creating process. The next step is to find the perfect background music that will elevate our video. And for this, we're turning to Stream Beats, an excellent resource for free, non-copyrighted music that you can use without any worries about copyright issues. Open your browser and head over to streambeats.com. Once you're on the site, click on Download Track File option. This will take you to a treasure trove of albums filled with free, non-copyrighted tracks. Each album features different genres, from chill lo-fi beats to upbeat electronic tunes and everything in between. All designed to complement your video perfectly. Take your time and go through the tracks to find the perfect music for our video. Once you've discovered a track that will fit your video, simply download it to your device. The final step is to edit everything together, and for this, we'll be using CapCut, an incredibly user-friendly and powerful video editing tool. Go over to CapCut. Click on New Project and import the video clip we downloaded from Pexels.com. Once your video is in place, click on Aspect Ratio and choose the one that fits best for the platform you want to upload the video to. Now import the voiceover we generated from 11 Labs, then arrange the video clips to ensure they match the length of the voiceover, creating a seamless flow between the visuals and audio. Now let's add effects to our video. Click on the Effects tab, then select Video Effects, and you'll find a lot of effects that can elevate your video and give it a unique touch. Explore the different options available and choose the perfect effects to make your video more engaging. Next, import the background music we downloaded from streambeats.com. Then lower the background music slightly so that it supports the voiceover without overshadowing it. Now to make our video more accessible and engaging, we'll add captions. Click on the text option, then select Auto Caption, then select your preferred template, click Generate and watch as the captions are created for you. In just a moment, you'll see how these captions enhance the viewing experience, making it easier for your audience to follow along. With everything neatly organized and polished, we're finally ready to export our video. Click on Export, then be sure to the video resolution to 4K and download the video to your device. And that's it, everyone. Now let's take a look at our final result.
A wolf doesn't concern himself with the opinion of sheep. He knows who he is and walks his own path, undeterred by those who do not understand his strength and independence. The wolf's purpose is his own, and he moves forward with confidence and purpose.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments section.